What if you held the power to shape your own reality? Imagine a world where the lines between the dreamer and the dream become blurred, where you are not merely a bystander in the unfolding story of your life, but the author of every chapter. Welcome to the fascinating realm of reality creation. Here, the familiar world you know is revealed to be a canvas of infinite potential, just waiting to be shaped by your conscious intentions. This transformative approach we're about to delve into is deeply rooted in spiritual and metaphysical principles. It's a technique that intertwines intention, belief, and the power of emotions to mold the malleable fabric of our reality. But what does it mean to shape one's reality? It's about realizing that our existence isn't fixed or static. Instead, it's dynamic, fluid, and subject to the influences of our conscious and focused intentions. We're not talking about mere wishes here. No, we're speaking of intentions as potent forces that direct life's energies towards a desired outcome. It's about setting clear, focused intentions, nurturing them with belief and positive emotions, and then releasing them with trust in the universe to manifest the outcomes. And at the heart of this powerful technique, emotion. By infusing our desires with genuine feelings, love, passion, gratitude, we significantly amplify their potential to materialize. Just as a magnifying glass can focus sunlight into a searing point of heat, so too can our feelings focus our intentions into a potent force capable of shaping our reality. But this isn't a journey you walk alone. The universe is your partner in this dance of creation. Through the concept of synchronicity and flow, you'll learn to attune to the universe's signs and signals, indicating alignment with your true path. It's a cosmic conversation, a dialogue of energy and intention that guides you towards your desired reality. Reality creation is a transformative journey, one that reframes challenges as catalysts for personal evolution and explores the quantum nature of our existence. It's a journey that calls for coherence, aligning thoughts, emotions, and actions to enhance your impact on the quantum field and shape reality more effectively. Ready to explore this transformative technique? Your journey begins now. Intention is not a mere wish, it's a potent force that directs life's energies. Imagine a ship setting sail on a vast ocean. The intention is the compass guiding the ship towards its destination. Without it, the ship is at the mercy of the winds and waves tossed around aimlessly. But with a clear and focused intention, the ship can navigate through the roughest seas and reach its desired haven. So how do we set clear and focused intentions? It begins with a deep dive into your inner self. It's about recognizing your desires and aspirations and then crystallizing them into focused intentions. It's not just about wanting to be happy, it's about defining what happiness means to you. It's not just about wanting success, it's about understanding what success looks like for you. The clearer your intentions, the stronger your compass. But a compass alone isn't enough to steer the ship. It needs the force of the wind in its sails. That's where belief and positive emotions come into play. They are the winds that propel your intentions forward. Infuse your intentions with genuine feelings, love, passion, gratitude, and you supercharge them. You amplify their potential to manifest in your reality. Think of it as a three-legged stool. The first leg is your intention, the second is your belief, and the third is your emotion. Each leg is essential, and together they provide a stable platform for your journey towards your desired reality. Now, once you've set your intention, infused it with belief and emotion, what do you do next? You release it. You let it go with trust in the universe. It's like planting a seed in the ground. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust that with the right conditions, sunlight, water, and time, it will grow. In the same way, once you've set and nurtured your intention, you release it with trust. Trust that the universe will provide the right conditions for it to manifest in your reality. It's not about controlling the outcome, it's about influencing the direction. Harness the power of intention, and you take the first step towards shaping your reality. Emotions are the fuel that powers your intentions, and visualization is the compass that directs them. Imagine for a moment that your intentions are like a car. They are robust, full of potential, and ready to transport you to your desired destination. But without fuel, the car remains idle, unable to move forward. Emotions are that fuel. They are the driving force that propels your intentions forward, energizing them with a potent vitality. By infusing your intentions with genuine feelings, be it love, passion, or gratitude, you breathe life into them, enhancing their potential to materialize in your reality. Now think about driving this car without a map or a GPS. You could end up anywhere, right? Visualization is your compass, your map, your GPS. It allows you to create a clear mental blueprint of your desired outcome. By picturing your intentions in vivid detail, you give direction and specificity to your intentions. You're not just wishing for a better life, you're visualizing it, living it in your mind, experiencing the joy, the triumph, the satisfaction. But how does this work, you might wonder? The trick lies in the mind's inability to differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. When you visualize, your brain fires up the same neurons as it would if the event were actually happening. This triggers a cascade of emotions that makes your body believe that the reality has already manifested. This emotional resonance, this feeling as if your intention has already come true, sends a powerful signal to the universe, amplifying the strength of your intentions and accelerating their manifestation. This combination of emotions and visualization is a potent amplifier for your intentions. With them, you're not just wishing for things to happen, you're feeling them happen. You're not just dreaming about your desires, you're living them in your mind's eye. You are actively participating in the reality creation process, not merely observing it from the sidelines. So fuel your intentions with emotions, direct them with visualization, and watch as your reality begins to shape itself in alignment with your deepest desires. With emotions and visualization, you amplify your intentions and accelerate their manifestation. The universe communicates with us through synchronicities and the flow of life. This is not a mere poetic statement, but a profound truth that underpins our existence. Synchronicity and flow, these are the guides on our journey, leading us toward the manifestation of our intended reality. Synchronicity is a concept that speaks to the interconnectedness of all things. It's those moments when the universe seems to be winking at us, offering a sign or a signal that we're on the right path. It's the chance meeting with an old friend when you were just thinking about them, or the unexpected opportunity that aligns perfectly with your intentions. These are not mere coincidences, they're the universe's way of saying, yes, you're on the right track, keep going. Being attuned to these signs requires a certain openness, a state of inner stillness that allows us to recognize and act on these synchronistic events. This is where the concept of flow comes into play. Flow is a state of being where we are fully immersed and engaged in the present moment, where actions and awareness merge. In this state, we are attuned to the universe's rhythm, moving effortlessly with its ebb and flow. But what about adversity? It's a fact of life that we all face challenges. These adversities, however, are not to be seen as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. They are the universe's way of refining us, of sculpting our character and deepening our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. They are, in essence, catalysts for personal evolution. So, the next time you face a challenge, try to see it from this perspective. View it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, to evolve. Embrace it, and you'll find that it propels you forward on your path, bringing you closer to the reality you intend to create. By recognizing and acting upon synchronicity and embracing adversity, you align with your true path. They are the guides in our journey, leading us toward the manifestation of our intended reality. These are the tools that help us shape our world, and they're available to each and every one of us. All it takes is an open heart, a focused mind, and the courage to follow where they lead. Our intentions and actions contribute to the fabric of the cosmos. This is an idea that has been echoed across the realms of spirituality and metaphysics, and now even quantum physics. Our reality, it seems, is not fixed but malleable, shaped by the intertwining of our conscious intentions, beliefs, and emotions. At the quantum level, we are all part of a vast interconnected web of energy and information. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, every action we take is a ripple in this cosmic ocean. When our thoughts, emotions, and actions are coherent, aligned towards a clear intention, these ripples can become waves. Waves that have the power to shape the patterns that emerge in our lives, in our realities. This process of shaping reality is not a solitary endeavor. We are, after all, social creatures, living in an interconnected universe. Our intentions can be magnified exponentially when they are united with the intentions of others. When we come together for a common purpose, when we share a vision and support one another in our endeavors, we can create a collective wave of intention that has the power to shape not just our individual realities, but our collective reality. This is the power of collective intention. It's like a choir of voices singing in harmony, each voice adding to the strength and beauty of the song. When we align our intentions with others, when we support and uplift one another, we can create a symphony of manifestation that can bring about profound changes in our world. So imagine what could happen if we all came together, if we all focused our intentions on creating a world of peace, of love, of abundance for all. Imagine the waves we could create in the cosmic ocean, the patterns we could shape in our collective reality. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions and uniting with others, you can effectively shape your reality and contribute to a more profound and interconnected world. It's not just a possibility, it's a potential that lies within each and every one of us. It's time to harness it to become the conscious creators of our reality. Because after all, the game changers are not the ones who play by the rules, but the ones who dare to rewrite them.